You see, every day, I consider every day as a day of making money. I consider every day. If at all I don't consider on a daily basis, it means I'm cheating myself. So, hold on. These are the things that I do daily to make sure that I complete my targets, to make sure that I plan for tomorrow as far as YouTube is concerned. So I make sure my schedule is followed. I make sure that I have posted something. If at all I don't post, for example, like a day before posting this video, I did not post anything because I was not feeling totally okay. But I blamed it on my schedules because I'd taken it for granted, thinking that, okay, I'm going to post the next day. Unfortunately, there are things that you cannot control, things like health. I ended up not scheduling anything. But today, I'm going to be discussing with you how I do my things on a daily basis to make sure that I'm making money online. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine on your channel, on the Immaculate Show channels, and on your TVs, on your screens. So guys, it's all about making money online. And when we're talking about making money online, we are talking about passive income. We are talking about the money that is not going to make you get sleepless nights, money that you're not going to be told invest something and then you get money, or the money that you're going to get even when you worked for it, like 3 years back, 2 years back, you worked for it, but it is coming. That's what we call passive income. And in particular, I'm going to discuss with you how I do my daily things, irrespective of working a 9 to 12 hour jobs in United Arab Emirates. This is what I do. You guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a simple lady that have used this system of making money online, and I still realize passive income. What is hard for you to make sure that at least, even if you're seated at home, even when you're at whatever you're doing, you recreate what you are doing. You use what you're doing. You use your passion. You use your skills to earn money. And we have a popular platform, which is YouTube, that every one of us has YouTube on their smartphone. And the majority of us who are watching this, who are on internet, have smartphones. So this is a privilege that I'm going to at least encourage you to use your daily life, to use that time that you have, that time that is free for you. Use it to make money. So one of the things that I've mastered is I've decided to respect YouTube, to respect online space as my daily income venture. So you have to respect this platform and treat it like as if it is your business. Because the moment you don't treat it as your business, you will get losses. That is one. So I treat it with care. How do I treat it? I have to see analytics. I have to see messages. I have to check on the details on my channel. Now I'm talking about YouTube. Why do I check the details? I want to check the notifications. What are they sending me? Like, for example, in YouTube, did they send for me anything that I did not see? Did I upload something that is against YouTube? So if I'm checking, I'm respecting it, I'm focused on it, it means I will be notified. I'll get to know area that something is wrong, then I will go and rectify it. That is one. Two, I make sure that I post daily. When it is your business, you have to go and open daily. Trust me, I want you to give me one business that you open on a monthly basis once and you get money. Even if it is rent-free, it is your own building, even if it is your own location, remember you have a reason why you started this business. And if you're not opening it daily, maybe it is off location, it means you are advertising it daily. That is, if it is off location, it is, for example, online, maybe you have a bridal thing, a bridal shop. If it is at home, you'll be displaying something online on your statuses everywhere that no, you can reach me at home. And also it means at home you are opening, people will come to look for you, so your lines will be open. This is how we treat YouTube. Every day is a day, is a big day. So I make sure that every day I turn up. If at all I don't turn up, like what happened one day before, that is a minor thing, but not every day that you'll open one day in a month. Then the third one, I've taken like help of this IE, they call them I some people will call them IA, others IE. No, I've taken use of ChatGPT. I'll not say these bots. If I say bots, you'll think there are many. There are ones I'm using right now. I'm majorly focused on ChatGPT. Why do I use it? ChatGPT helps me to show me what is trending, to show me what is failing me, to expand for me as in terms of transcribing, even transcripting. Then it also goes ahead and helps me to do for me metadata, direct me. When I'm talking about metadata, I mean the title, I mean the thumbnail, I mean the description, the tags. These ones, most of the time it does them first, then I come and add value, I add my own. So guys, this one has helped me so much. Then the last but not least, it has helped me in a way. It has helped me in a way that I don't lack ideas. Do you know you can be stuck? Yes, you can be stuck. If you're on YouTube, you can feel, even you can be motivated. You can be demotivated at all. Now, when you're stuck without ideas, just go and say, ChatGPT, what's wrong? I'm here, I'm stuck. Those are jokes. I'm stuck. Can you help me? It will immediately ask you, how are you stuck? And it will ask you, what do you want to do? Then it gives you insights. Then I've focused on this project solely as an individual. You guys, group things are good. When I'm saying grouping, it's like when you're doing something, you know, Sister A, Madam D, Brother C is going to help me. No way. Get to know that they might not help you at all. Because most people who have failed is because they've relied on this as a group, as they have destiny helpers to make them push the videos. No. Do your thing, I do my thing, and I see it prospering. And can I say last but not least? Last but not least, I've solidly, do you know, if you say solidly, say, I'm focused, I have to solve a problem, and with the problem solving, I'm giving value to make sure that people make money online. Make money with their smartphone. Yeah. Thank you very much. See you in another video.